How to turn off private browsing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the tabs icon. You can view all your open tabs over here. Here, tap on the private section at the bottom. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for tabs. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. Here, close the tab as shown. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the icon in the middle. Select Start Page from here. You have now closed the private tabs and opened a normal one. Following these steps, you can easily turn off private browsing on iPhone.